Hi guys, so today I'll tell you how to operate YULU Miracle electric cycle. After opening the YULU app, search for cycles nearby and you can see the exact location and how much time will it take if you walk there. So when you first try to unlock the bike, it'll say insufficient funds. So what you need to do is add a 250 rupees security deposit for the bicycle and then extra 50 if you want to start operating it right now. Then after adding the money, try to unlock the electric cycle again and make sure you select Miracle out of the two options and then scan the code to unlock and use the cycle. Make sure that you scan it properly. It'll take a few seconds after scanning to unlock, and after it is unlocked, it'll show you all the terms and conditions and rules that you need to follow. And the timer has started. YULU is charged based on the number of kilometers and the time we use it for. So after it's unlocked, take it for a ride and show off to your neighbors and the children nearby and tell them how cool it is to ride electric cycle on the roads. So after unlocking the bike and unlocking the stand, you just have to use this accelerator to use the cycle and move it forward. This is the alarm and this is where you keep your phone. That's it, nothing much different, just like a scooty, nothing else. And also in the night, after 6 or 5 p.m. light automatically switches on and you can use the light also. So the number one problem people face while using cycle is when they use the accelerator, it doesn't go forward. So there's a solution to that problem. So if you unlock a cycle and it doesn't go forward, leave that cycle and file a email or a complaint with YULU and they'll refund your money back. Nothing you can do. Find some other cycle.